Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Death Stranding 2 and your game keeps crashing on your PlayStation 5, you keep getting this error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Death Stranding 2 easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games menu here, and in here you're going to find Death Stranding 2 on this list, and once you find Death Stranding 2, you're going to click the start button on your controller on Death Stranding 2, it will open up this menu. Now you're going to click on to restore license and it will restore the license of Death Stranding 2. After that you're going to click the start button again and it will open up the menu again. Now you're going to click on to check for update and it will check for any new updates, and if it finds any updates it will download those new updates. And once the game is done updating, now you're going to go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi or internet on your PlayStation 5. Once your internet is turned off, you're going to restart your PlayStation 5. So just restart your console. Once you're done with the restart, now you can turn on the internet, and now you can go ahead and try to play Death Stranding 2 and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.